In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the Nextdoor app. This process is quite straightforward, allowing you to reach out for assistance or support easily. We will cover two primary methods, through the Nextdoor app and through the Nextdoor Help Center. Each method is designed to help you get the answers you need quickly and effectively. First, let's start with the recommended method, which is through the Nextdoor app. Open the Nextdoor app on your device and sign in using your credentials. You will see a familiar interface filled with local news and updates from your neighborhood. Signing in is crucial because it ensures that your inquiries are linked directly to your account. This way, the support team can provide you with the most relevant assistance tailored to your issues. Once you are signed in, look for your profile icon. This icon is typically located in the top right corner of the app. Tapping on your profile icon will open up a menu where you can access various settings and features of your account. This step is important because it connects you with personal settings where you can manage your account effectively. You will find options that allow you to customize your experience, but today we are focusing on getting support. From your profile menu, navigate to the Help Center or Help and Support option. This is where you can find resources that address common issues and questions. By going here, you are taking a proactive step to resolve any issues you may be experiencing. The Help Center is full of valuable articles that may offer immediate solutions to your problems. Next, browse through the help articles that are available. These articles cover a wide range of topics and can offer quick answers to many common inquiries. If you find a relevant article that addresses your issue, follow the instructions within it. However, if your specific problem is not resolved, look for the option labeled Contact Us. This option will allow you to reach out directly to the Nextdoor support team, ensuring that your request is prioritized. Once you select Contact Us, you will be prompted to submit your request. Fill out the necessary fields with accurate information about your issue. Providing detailed information helps the support team understand your situation better, allowing them to assist you more effectively. After submitting your request, all you need to do is wait for a response from Nextdoor support. They usually reply promptly, giving you peace of mind that your issue is being handled. Now let's move on to the second method through the Nextdoor Help Center. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Nextdoor Help Center. This is a dedicated space where you can find support without needing the app. The Help Center is specifically designed to cater to users who may prefer using a desktop or laptop for assistance. Once you are on the Help Center page, use the search bar to enter keywords related to your issue. This helps you quickly find articles that address your specific concern. The search function is efficient and will display relevant articles that may provide the solutions you need. If you find helpful information, follow the guidance provided in the articles. If the articles do not resolve your problem, look for the option to select Contact Us. This is essential because it allows you to complete a support request form and reach out for more personalized assistance. Make sure to fill out the form accurately, as this will streamline the support process. Providing as much detail as possible ensures that the support team can assist you effectively. For issues related to your account, neighborhood, or moderation, remember that Nextdoor generally recommends submitting a request through the Help Center. This is the primary support channel and ensures that your request is directed to the right team. Following this guidance can save you time and help you get the assistance you need. In conclusion, whether you choose to contact support through the app or the Help Center, both methods are designed to help you efficiently. You can feel confident that you are taking the right steps to resolve your issues with Nextdoor. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.